Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Slack. Open Slack, create a workspace, and follow prompts to register your team. Start by choosing a workspace name and a unique URL, invite teammates, and set basic profile details. Next, organize channels for projects, departments, and social topics. Finally, customize notifications and app integrations to reduce noise while keeping important updates visible to everyone. I'll walk through each step clearly so you can set up Slack with confidence. Start by grouping conversations into channels and using consistent names to reduce confusion. Create public channels for cross-team updates and private channels for sensitive discussions. Pin key documents, links, and guidelines to each channel so members can find essentials quickly. Use threads to keep replies organized and avoid long message chains. You can archive inactive channels and reorganize as projects evolve to maintain a tidy workspace everyone enjoys using. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is a handy companion for long work sessions and desk days. It keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals I recommend. Thanks for watching this quick pause. Now let's get back to the video. Add integrations to automate tasks and centralize notifications from tools you already use. Configure app permissions and authorize only the connectors your team needs to avoid clutter. Tweak notification schedules and keyword alerts so you stay informed without constant interruptions. Establish admin roles for workspace management and delegate channel owners to keep governance clear. Regularly review integrations and permissions to ensure the workspace stays secure and efficient for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.